Hi all, this is Ratios, Lesson 7, Associated Ratios and the Value of a Ratio. Your planner entry for today should be, say, today I will understand the relationship between ratios and fractions, describe the fraction a over b associated with the ratio a to b, and your homework, if you do not finish your work in class, should say exercises 1 to 2. Or it could look like this. Over here, where we have our planner entry. Hopefully it's not as messy as mine. Pause this video if you need to copy this into your planner. So we are going straight into example 1, which is on page S24 in your workbook. Example 1, we actually did as a warm-up. So which of the following correctly models that the number of red gumballs is 5 over 3, the number of white gumballs. Now, the order that they gave this to us is the number of red gumballs is 5/3 the number of white gumballs. So we have the red gumballs first, and then the white gumballs. And if you had participated in our poll earlier, you would know that this letter B equals 5 to 3. We have red having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and white being 3. Notice that the red gumballs, which was given to us first, is your numerator, and your white gumballs, which was given to us last here, is your denominator, 5/3, and is equal to 5 to 3. So therefore, letter B is the correct answer for example 1. Moving on to example 2, and I'm just going to go over this briefly, and if you need time, make sure you pause this after our explanation so that you can copy this. The duration of 2 films are modeled below. We have film A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and film B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The ratio of the length of film A to the length of film B is 5 to 7 because we have 5 boxes here and 7 boxes down below. And we were told that it's film A to film B. The length of film A is 5/7 of the length of film B. Okay, remember, film A had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and film B is your denominator is down below, so that's 5/7. The length of film B, okay, if we are switching this around, length of film B is 7/5 of the length of film A. So first you're going to see film B's number, and then you're going to see film A. So film B with 7 boxes, film A with 5 boxes is now 7/5 if we were given the reverse order. Lesson 7, Exercise 1, page S25. So exercise 1 reads, Sammy and Caden went fishing using live shrimp as bait. Sammy brought 8 more shrimp than Caden brought. When they combined their shrimp, they had 32 shrimp altogether. Letter A asks us how many shrimp did each boy bring. So we know that Sammy brought 8 more shrimp than Caden brought, and our total should be 32. To help you out with this, Sammy and Caden. Sammy brought 20 shrimp and Caden brought 12. Okay, 20 is 8 more than 12. So 20 take away 12 is 8, or you can say, let's see it as 12 plus 8 equals 20. Letter B. So it asks us, what is the ratio of the number of shrimp Sammy brought to the number of shrimp Caden brought? Okay, so we know back from our previous slide here, Sammy had 20, Caden had 12. So the ratio of what Sammy brought to the ratio to what the number that Caden brought would be 20 to 12. Express the number of shrimp Sammy brought as a fraction. Oops, sorry guys. Express the number of shrimp Sammy brought as a fraction to the number of shrimp Caden brought. So as a fraction, 20, your first number here, 20, is your top number or your numerator, and your second number is 12, and that is your denominator. So the fraction is 20/12. Okay. So your lesson summary, which is also in your book, tells you for a ratio A to B, we are often interested in the associated ratio B to A. Further, if A and B can both be measured in the same unit, we are often interested in the associated ratios A to, which is A plus B, and B, A plus B, A to B. So that was a really wordy way to give you a summary. So look at their example. If Tom caught 3 fish and Kyle caught 5 fish, we can say the ratio of number of fish Tom caught to number of Kyle is 3 to 5. And vice versa, the ratio of the number of fish Kyle caught to the number of fish Tom caught is 5 to 3. The ratio, so that one you are still looking at part to part. And the ratio of the number of fish Tom caught to the total number of fish 2 boys caught is 3 to 8, so you're part to whole. And now you're looking at the number that Kyle caught to the number of total fish is 5 to 8, another part to whole. This part is what they really showed you in this. So for the ratio A to B, where B cannot be 0, okay, remember you cannot have both numbers 0 in your ratios. B cannot be 0. The value of the ratio is the quotient A to B, or the fraction A over B. Okay, so keep in mind, when you have a ratio A to B, it is represented as a fraction A over B. A being your numerator, B your denominator. Your next steps: find a partner to complete exercises 1 and 2. Remember, I did not finish exercise 1 because I want you to finish answering those questions. When you are done and feel ready, get an exit ticket from Mrs. Caldwell. Your homework for tonight is to finish exercises 1 to 2. Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you are doing the exercises, and you do not have to do the problem set questions unless I tell you that you need to. All right, so guys, until next time, if you have any questions, write your name on the board. If you need to go over this video again, do so. All right, see you guys.